Hi, welcome to Coloring Bliss. My name is Jennifer Stay. This is Sweet Little Rose. Now, have you ever wanted to up your coloring skills? Well, I have the perfect free 5-day coloring boost just for you. Now, day 1, I'm going to share my best color pencil blending trick. Day 2, I'm going to share with you how to paint with Sharpie markers. Day 3, I'm going to tell you all about my gel pen coloring secret. Day 4, I'm going to teach you how to get beautiful blends with your watercolor brush pens on regular paper. Day 5, I'm going to teach you how to easily pick colors. And if you're lucky, which you are, I'm going to give you a day 6 extra coloring bonus. So join me. It's fun, it's free, and you're going to boost your coloring in just 5 days. I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone.